Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing because I just got a brand new camera and it is actually going to be the camera that I use if I can figure out how to use it. So we're going to open it. It just came in the mail yesterday. I'm really excited because I've wanted this camera forever and I finally was just like, let's buy it, because why not? This is it. It is a Nikon D3400. I don't know how to say that. 3400. It looks like this. And I just bought the basic camera that came with one lens, but you can also buy it with two lenses as well. But I was like, might as well just start simple. Alright, so inside it comes with a warranty program, but I didn't do that. Probably should have, but it's extra money. And then it comes with instruction manual, which will be super helpful because I don't know how to use it at all. And it has it in English and in Spanish. Alright, so here's the actual camera part. On one side it has the camera without the lens. And it looks like this. Oh, came right off. And then the other side is the lens cap, I guess. The other side is the actual lens. And this lens you can take off and you can put another one on. There's another one that you could buy that makes it so it has better zoom quality. And this is just the super basic one. So here is this lens. And I think it just goes right on, but I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, I'll figure that one out later. So it's not easy to just put in without reading directions. And then it comes with a strap and a battery charger. The battery, I have to charge that first, which is in the bottom. There is no battery in there. Yeah, I don't know where the, oh, it's right here. Right here's the battery. Okay, that would have been scary if I didn't have a battery. So the battery goes in the bottom. And that one's super easy to go in. There we go. And then I have to charge the battery still to be able to use it because I think it's dead, but let's plug it in and see if it comes charged or not. I don't know. Alright, so that does not come charged, so I'm going to charge it for a little while and then I'll be back to put it in and see how everything goes and see if we can figure out how to use this thing. And I will read the directions while I'm gone. So yeah, I don't know how to use this at all. So this should be fun. Come here. This is Willow, my puppy. She's gonna be in a lot of the videos. She and I like to go on hikes a lot together, so she will be my partner in all of the hikes. So now you guys get to meet my baby. So one bad thing about this camera is that the chip, the memory chip, and the camera come separately. They don't come together. So if you buy this camera, you need to also buy a memory card because you're going to get it and you're going to go take awesome pictures and you're going to find out that you can't use them. So you need this little thing right here. so we just got back from our walk around the neighborhood and I was able to test the camera for taking pictures and video, and I found out when taking a video that I think it only lets you record 20 to 25 minutes. I want to say 20, let me actually check. It lets you record about 20 minutes, so if I was going on a hike and I wanted to do a time lapse, I probably couldn't do one. And I'm not sure if this is just a memory card or if it's the camera, so that's one thing that is interesting about this camera. I'm going to insert the videos I took on the walk, and I'm also going to insert the pictures I took as well so you can see the quality. And this is also being recorded on the camera as well, so you can see the quality just from what I'm talking right now. And the first section that I recorded when I was opening the camera and unboxing it was on my iPhone. So you can see the difference between my iPhone, and I have the iPhone 6s Plus, and this camera. So it'll just help you to figure out like what is better quality, and it can help you decide if you want to buy this camera as well. So here we go. Alright, so I'm out with the new camera, and it takes really good pictures, but I can only record for 20 minutes, which is like really interesting. So I wonder if that's just the disc or if that's the actual camera, because 20 minutes is not long enough when you're going on a hike to record. So we'll have to take a look at that, because I don't know. I just realized that I made this whole entire video and I didn't actually talk about if I liked the camera or my thoughts. Since I just edited it and I was able to see the difference, I think there's a definite huge difference between this camera and my iPhone, which makes me so excited to use it. And I'm just really excited to see what it can actually do on hikes where it has to take pictures of the mountains, because on my phone, pictures of mountains just never turn out very good. They're not very high quality, and it just never matches what I see in person, which I'm not sure I'll ever find a camera that will match that, but I just think this will help me get closer to what I want. So I'm just really excited to use it in the mountains. Today was super snowy. I will insert a picture of the mountains for how I see them right now, which I could barely see them, so we weren't able to go out and hike today, and it is really cold here. So hopefully we'll be able to go out and hike soon and I can record, but I'm looking forward to showing you guys what this camera can do, and I'm just looking forward to actually starting and kicking off my YouTube channel. So please hit subscribe below and like this video, and I promise I will have more videos coming soon to you guys.